So how do you take low light photos on the iPhone? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, it all comes down to your device, and of course, newer iPhones have better low light capabilities, but there are still some features you can utilize. So inside of your camera, you can of course select the subject and slide up the exposure to make it, appear at least like brighter. That's one way to do this. And also you can utilize the night mode. So once your camera detects that there isn't enough lighting in a scene, it will give you this moon icon and you can enable it, make sure it is turned on. And there is also like a number next to it. This number represents the amount of seconds the photo will be captured through, right? So if it's like 30 seconds, it will literally take 30 seconds to capture the image. And the reason is that in that time period, it will use all of the light gradually from the scene to end up with the perfect shot, right? So you can utilize this feature. Just make sure that the phone is held steady somewhere, ideally on a tripod, because you're not supposed to move during this mode, right? But it is a great way to add some lighting back to the scene and take low light photos. Naturally, outside of that, you can utilize the flash, which is the LED light next to the camera. You can also enable it like that, and it will capture the photos with a flash. Of course, adding light that way might be useful too. So these are the most useful ways of utilizing or taking low light photos on the iPhone. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one.